I mean, no one gonna say this is mix up. This is not mix up. I am addressing something that I seen. So any of you want to take it the wrong way or take it as mix up, I'm entitled to see stuff and comment on it because that's what they put it on social media for. So I seen something on my timeline. I'm a press play, and honestly, I did not listen to it for over 3 minutes, but I clicked on it just in time to hear Dwayne say something more time out. No, Dwayne Fletcher has called my name over his life plenty of times. I've never responded in no way, shape or form. Never responded. And Dwayne, me not give nothing. If you go back to your platform and run marathon, because I am not the one to tune. You said, I clicked on it just in time for Dwayne Fletcher to be talking about people wiping ass in America. That's all I'm going to talk about. I don't care about nothing else when him did I step on him something, because I never stayed long enough to listen to the bullshit. You understand? Because what I realize is that these people are like broken records. When I get up every day and keep on talk about the same thing. We don't have no talent, we don't have no content, we don't have nothing. When I get up every day like a broken record talking about somebody that will never reply to you, not reply to you, who not start to look crazy. That's number one. You cannot talk about somebody and I refer to somebody, I cuss somebody when not answer uno. Them not gonna ever answer. Follow him and your page is not mixed up here. Exactly. When I respond to uno, it don't make no sense. Y'all starting to look crazy every single week. Y'all keep talking about the same thing, like different words but the same thing, and y'all don't know how to stop. Like some of y'all uno not clean on the house, because I don't know about y'all, but I pay attention to people's background. Okay, I be looking me fast. That's why I watch people me very fast. Me not only look on you, but me I look on all your background. And someone need to clean on the house. Because I'm looking at these people that's talking about people in a bad way, and I'm looking in your background and it's dirty as hell. Dust I got kill no, cockroach I got kill no, mice I got kill no, because you not clean up on the house. Some of you come past social media, you know cause people and matter all full up on the yai. Like I was so disturbed this morning. Like I hope you clearly didn't wash your face or brush your teeth before you start talking shit. Like it was disturbing to know that you got your eye is caked up, like you got matter in your eye. It cake up, it thick. Like it's thick. You ain't wash your face. How are you talking shit about people and you ain't wash your face? You ain't wash your mouth. Breath stink as ever. Matter cake up in your eye, and you know. You understand? And you talking shit. You feel what I'm saying? And then you grown ass women on social media. Big up yourself, Kalika. Thank you, girl. Thank you. You see, we glowing over here. You know, so we are glow. We just nice. Look on glow. I'm my forehead that glisten. But yeah, all I'm saying is, you guys, you grown-ass women sit on social media and watch these people degrade other women and degrade uno too. Now, I seen Dwayne Fletcher not only degrade certain people, me not call no name, but he also degraded the people them in them comment section. What I came on here to talk about was the fact that he said that, oh, the clean ass. Can say nobody in my family no clean shit. And him take him like a matter yai full of matter, teeth no brush for morning, and come on social media say, so, some of you guys gotta be cleaning shit for a living. No, nobody in my family clean shit. Well, me I talk because you see through most of my customer them clean shit for a living. Me have enough customer that them do for a living. Yeah, I enough clean shit money make me nyam and buy my product them. The same clean shit money them. And I'm not gonna be a hypocrite. I'm not him first one me hear say it. But it should have never come out of your mouth, Dwayne. As somebody that is disabled, You shouldn't be talking about people who are clean shit. That's what a lot of people in America gotta do, clean shit for a living. So, and they make a lot of money doing it too. I have customers and I have friends that clean shit and they make a lot of money than a lot of you people that sit on social media begging for Cash App, begging for Zelle, a chat mix up to get little nickels and cents from Facebook ads. They make a lot of money cleaning shit. And a nickels and cents them I get paid. Them I get paid them good 2,000, them 1,500 a week time, and that is their honest earned money. And them not have to come on social media and degrade people. You now doing Fletcher. The last time me checking out, you know this, well, I don't care. I wouldn't say that you're a fucking handicap. The last time me hear say you wear Pampers. So that means say you piss up yourself and you shit up yourself. Cause you have to in a diapers. Yeah? You're in diapers. You a grown-ass man sitting on social media talking shit about people that's cleaning shit and you sitting in diapers. Somebody gotta clean your shit. And then you sit on social media and you talk so much shit and you're swelling. You need to go take care of your fucking health. You're sick. You sit on in the camera and you swell. You know, see your face has swell, your neck has swell. You evidently have a health issue going on. Right? But you know what? You get so caught up with the views and the comments that you got people cheering you on because one of them are 99-eater. Yeah? So you have the 99-eater them will sit down in the comment section. I flare you on and then I'm saying, hey babes, hi Dwayne, why does your face look so swell? Why does you look so swollen? You need to go to the doctor and get yourself fucking checked out. Cause you look like any moment you're gonna pop. You're looking like any moment you're going to fucking pop. Go to the doctor, go look after your health and go look after yourself. Okay? And leave people the fuck alone. Now, would I never even come by you, even address you if you never said that? Enough is a fucking enough. And I come talk about say, oh, I got doctors in my family. Well, you got no good doctors in your family. Because if you got doctors in your family and you sitting in your fucking piss up diaper looking fucking swollen like that, then I wouldn't want none of your doctorate family to ever look at me as a patient. Because you got all the doctors in your family, but yet still you look like you fucking sick. Exactly. Enough people in his life clean him shit, no shame. Him not have no shame, and the people them in the comment section, if me ever see none of uno over here, me block uno. I'm matter of fact, the whole of uno when me see in the comment section already. Me go over, me just click pa uno and block uno. Come for me. Dwayne cannot come for me. He cannot come for me. Come for who? Come for me, and people like you is gonna sit down and listen to him and cheer him on, right? But Dwayne can't come for me. I'm on a whole different level. Do you see the level I'm on? Him cannot come from me. Come for me and do what to me? Talk about that shit that ain't true. Dwayne cannot address with me. People that can't even sit with me cannot come for me. Come for me and do what? Him too raw snuff, man. But you come and internet cause people clean shit and you're slung in a fucking diapers. But you're retarded. You're a fucking retard. Clean shit. Cause me never know, maybe one day I'm gonna need somebody to clean my shit. We don't know what the future might bring it out. Enough I know what talk about people who clean shit. You don't know what the future might. Maybe one of them nurses they got to clean food shit too. One or two outside, man. One or two fucking outside dirty doing. A job is a fucking job. A job, and it's not even about cleaning shit. A job is a fucking job. And I don't think nobody that's on social media that don't got a job, don't got a business, should be talking shit about nobody with a fucking job. Because really and truly, your ass need a job. You need a job.